On the Medical Watch tonight, reversing the course of disease.
WGN medical reporter Dina Baer has the latest research offering new hope to patients.
This is a discovery that could change the future for people with neurological conditions, lifelong diseases like multiple sclerosis, fatal conditions like ALS, or traumatic brain and spine injuries. Scientists say they found an immune cell that can reverse damage and restore function.
My whole career, this has been the holy grail.
The nervous system is challenging. Once nerve cells die, particularly in the brain and spinal cord, they don't regenerate in adults.
There are no treatments that, as you mentioned, actually reverse damage that's already there or allow people to recover lost skills and functions. So this is a pursuit of neurologists and neuroscience researchers globally.
It's been Dr. Benjamin Segal's life's work. And now, the Ohio State University neurologist and his team say they may have found something.
This new research has revealed a new cell type, a new type of white blood cell that actually rescues dying nerve cells and also stimulates them to grow new fibers when those fibers have been damaged. It was a complete surprise. The cell type we had never seen before, and it's a white blood cell called a granulocyte, which is a general category of white blood cells that has not really been heavily implicated in repair in the past. So, yeah, it was a eureka moment.
In the lab, the researchers used the cells to repair damage in mice models.
We introduced these cells at the site of damage in multiple different compartments of the central nervous system. They were able to increase nerve cell survival dramatically, as well as stimulate new nerve fiber growth within mice, which normally doesn't occur at all following that type of injury.
They conducted a similar experiment in a petri dish that contained human nerve cells.
We did use human nerve cells in some of our experiments and showed that the immune cell was effective in stimulating human nerve cells to grow new fibers.
The next step, working out protocols to harvest immature cells from bone marrow, then stimulating them to become pro-regenerative cells.
The idea would be to harvest bone marrow cells from people with neurological disorders, treat them in a dish so that they become pro-regenerative and protective, and then reintroduce them as a cell therapy into those patients.
The biggest challenge now is translating the lab findings to meaningful treatments. But with this discovery, doctors are one step closer to restoring the function that can have people walking forward in their own lives. Back to you.